Hey there. Today we're diving into a quick overview of the website https://joshchastudymonkey.ai/, an AI-powered platform designed to help students with homework, essays, and studying across a wide range of subjects. StudyMonkey offers 3 pricing plans. Free plan allows you to ask up to 3 questions per day and access 5 subjects. Homework Helper, $8 per month, gives you up to 50 questions per day, access to all subjects, a standard AI model, and priority support. Homework Helper Plus, SA, $10 per month, includes unlimited questions per day, all subjects, an advanced AI model, and premium support. The platform supports a wide variety of subjects like math, science, computer science, history, languages, and more. It offers detailed step-by-step solutions, essay writing help, and 24/7 availability on all your devices. Some of the main advantages of StudyMonkey: available anytime, anywhere. Covers a wide range of school and college subjects. Fast and clear answers with explanations. Works smoothly across all devices, a few downsides to consider. Responses may lack depth for complex topics. Limited ability to customize the answer style. If you're looking for a smart study assistant, StudyMonkey could be a great choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful reviews.